You are welcome to Donval Versatile video channel and our social group. So in this video I want to teach you how to trade with naked charts, pure naked chart, without using any indicator or whatever. Just trading with your naked chart and still have a very strong confirm entries and sometimes exit as well. Do you get that? So, but I would like you to know, some of you watching my videos, I don't want you to be an outsider in this system, in this channel, and in dollar community. So we have a social group, WhatsApp group, where we add the intern students. Do you understand? I want you to become part of our dollar community member. And how do you achieve that? Number one, you have to sign up with our link below this video. Number two, you have to pay one-time fee of 10,000 naira, that is $20. Then you'll be added in that premium group. So in that trading group, we teach everything about synthetic indices, everything about trading, all the secrets behind trading, how you can make profit. Number two, again, we send signals to that group. Number three, again, we release strategies every time, every now and then, just like this one, because some of you don't have much money to buy custom tools, system tools that help you to make the market. So this is for the benefit of everybody, both who have the custom and for those who don't have the custom. So in our group, we also have various robots of different capacities. So meanwhile, what I would like you to do is to sign up with our donor community link, pay the designated fee, one-time fee, and join that group where you can get more training. You know, in this system, you don't feel as smart. You have to follow it. You have to get the knowledge, especially this type of one that has to do with the trading forex based on the reaction of the price with the naked chart. If you look my chart now, you find out that we don't have any thing like indicator. Let me even carry this one down. You don't have it's empty chart. Okay, so now for you to achieve this empty chart of a thing, there are some various things we consider. You know, the higher the time frame you use to do analysis is, the stronger the signal it generates. That is number one thing, and we call this thing price analysis or technical analysis somehow, or price action. So that is this process we want to achieve now. So, and of course, this is chart environment. What is chart environment? Chart environment is an environment you see the reaction of the price through candlesticks. You get that? It's an environment you see the reaction of the price through candlesticks. So if you look at my screen, you see all these things are what? Candlesticks. And it's through these candlesticks we see the formation of these candlesticks is what interprets the price movement to us. So how do you get your entry just with naked chart like this? How do you trade with naked chart? How do you know the strong support or resistance zone? Because that is the most powerful signal point that interprets one or two things in this market. So I want to show you this last secret that will ever make you to be profitable. Every day you must be profitable if you follow the rule. Remember, trading forex requires a lot of patience. How do I mean? Some of you cannot wait to have a confirmed entry because you are in a hurry to make money. Anytime you open your chart, you must trade. No, trading is not like that. It requires patience. It requires what? Patience. So you must have entry. So anytime you join market and the market has passed away through the entry, so don't go in again. So let me show you this last secret that will make you to be what? Profitable in this system all through. If you watch here, if you watch this place, let me use choose. If you watch this place, throughout this place, this market was uptrend up to this moment. But here, this last bullish candle was closed as a bullish candle, right? Then the next candle follow it is a bearish candle that is very tall, very tall. Whether with the wick, you can see how the rejection of the wick is very tall, taller than the previous bullish candle that closed. So anytime, let me use the other tools to show you. So anytime you see this kind of formation, shit, get out now. Sorry, let me use this thing as circulate. Anytime you see this kind of formation, you see that this bullish candle is lower. Then this market was a bullish, then come here close as a bullish, then the next candle was a bearish candle that is very taller than the bullish candle. It's taller than what? The bullish candle. So apart from that, so and each time you want to do this, if you want to have a good confirmation, you put fractals. Fractals is this cap, is this cap. So because that this uptrend was an uptrend, closing with the last candle close was a bullish, then the next candle to it is a bearish candle, close as a bearish candle that is taller than the previous bullish candle. So the implication is that this market will go down at all time. At all time, a market is an uptrend, and to some extent, the uptrend closed as a bullish candle. Then the next candle following it becomes a bearish candle that is turner. It can be turner through the week. When I talk about the week, I mean this stick from here. It can be turner with the wick. It can be turner with the body as well. So let us look. If you look here now, I know you understand what I'm saying. Look at these two candles. How do I use these tools so that you get it? Look at these two candles. You see this one, you see this one. You see this one is taller than this one, right? So on that formation, the market must move down in many occasions up to 3 candles within 1 day. Within 1 day, this is 1 day time frame. You can do this from 30 minutes and above time frame. Look at, let us see where all those things happen. You see here, look at here. You know this is an uptrend move. Actually, let me use this is an uptrend move. From it was moving up. Now the candle closed with bullish candle. Then the last candle that closed to it was a bearish candle that is taller. You see, it's taller than the bullish candle, the previous. Look at the bullish. So, but this bearish is taller than the previous bullish candle that closed. So, what will happen? The market will go down. And in many occasions, I said up to 3 candles down. So if you should sell this market for 3 days, let's assume you are selling only for 2 days, because you must allow this first candle, that first bearish candle, to close so that you know the direction. You see this bearish candle, after seeing that it's taller than the previous bullish, then and form a bearish candle that is taller than the previous bullish. So what you mean, you allow that first candle to close as a bearish candle, then you come in with the second candle and ride your market. Okay, let us see another occasion where those things happen. So I will just show you 2 ways you can trade with a naked chart and it will be profitable every time. Let us see another formation. Look at this one. Look at this one. Do you see here? Hi. Do you see this move? Watch. Do you see this move here? This is a bullish move, and to some extent, the bullish close and have a bearish close that is taller than the previous bullish candle. You see, this is 2 bullish candle, but this bearish candle happened to be taller than the previous bullish candle. So what market will do? The market will go down up to 3 candles down. Do you see it? So, and it has been going down. Look at this place again. So at all time in a higher time frame, you see this one, they sold from here till here, then take a little reversal. Let me take a little reversal. Look at reversal. Come create another formation. You see, it was a bullish. This one was a bullish candle, but later on, it closed and a bearish candle that is taller than that bullish candle came with the fractal self. That's why this market moved down. Do you see? So let us see another one. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. So this is a bullish move, and along the line we have a bearish close taller than the previous bullish. Look at the bearish close above the bearish. What happened? The market come down up to 3 candles. You see the bearish sell. Do you see it? So it later take a little reversal from here create another bullish that has a current bearish taller than the bullish. What happened? The market moved down 3 candles. Do you see it? It moved down 3 candles. At all times such occasion occurs, you see here, okay, this one is a fractal move. And let us trace them all. This one is a fractal move. I'll tell you another formation. The same thing happened to the bullish side. Let us see the another formation of bearish. Where you see, look at here. You look at these two candles. Let us see them. You see this one, and this one is a bit taller that closed as a bearish. What happened? The price moved down. Do you see it? So at all times, such thing. Look at here. This current market now. Look at this current market now, so that you get what I mean. Is 100%. Look at a bearish bullish candle. This is a bullish. It closed bullish, then have a bearish that is taller than it. Look at the bearish taller than it. What happened? Price moved down. Do you see that? So that is the highest secret. That's why I say join Donvan. More secret will be revealed to you how to do this thing. So the same thing is applicable to the buy. If you want to buy, if you want to hold long for buying, if you want to hold long, look at you find such formation where bullish candle is lower, like here, where bullish candle is lower than the previous bearish candle. For a buy now, this one was moving down over time, and it came here. We have a bullish candle that is lower. You see, if you look at the bottom, is lower than the previous bearish close. So market will move up to 3 candles. Do you get that now? I hope you are getting it. Let us see another formation. Look at here. Even in a little retracement, if you just have such formation in little retracement, look at here. This thing was a bearish candle. It was a bearish. Now the bearish close, and we have a bullish close lower. You see the bottom is lower than the previous bearish. So what happened? Price will move up. Do you get that? So let us see. Look at here again. Just follow it. It's 100%. You don't need any indicator to interpret this one. So look at here again. You see the bullish is lower than the previous bearish. So what happened? Price move up. Okay, it's very rare. It's very rare. That's why I told you, join the DOLLA community. I will give you every secret. Look at here. Look at these two bottom here. It was a previously this thing was previously a bearish mode. Then coming here now, we notice that this bullish is lower than the bearish. So price move up. That's all. So if you just see that such formation in one day, you just put buy and leave the market for 3 days. That is all, and you make your big money. Look at here. Do you see here? I hope you're understanding this. This is a little bearish move, and it come here bearish again, but it happened that we have a bullish candle that closed lower than the previous bearish. So what happened? The price will move up. As simple as that. You hold for 3 days. Good one. Even you can flick your small account into you can double your account with this formation. Look at here again. So at all times such formation happen, we call it hiding dark cloud. So that is that for buying and selling using what bullish and bearish candlesticks. So I subscribe to my channel, join my mentorship group by signing up with our DOLLA community link, and then pay your designated fee, $20 or 10,000 naira. Then you follow up our training. Many videos will come your way very soon, very soon. Today, many videos that explain some technical aspect of the analysis will come your way today. So try to join now. Congratulations for this one. So there are other secrets I want to tell you using naked charts, but let me watch the percentage of this video. Okay, so another way of getting this is using what fractals. So in the case of boom, let's talk of boom before we go to crash. If you must sell boom, For you scalpers, some of you say we are scalpers. How do I achieve that? You see, this boom is still booming because of the same condition. It's because of the same condition. That's why it keep booming, 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 and it's still booming because we have a sell where a bullish candle is lower than the previous bearish candle, and it has lower fractal. That's why this market has been spiking up to this moment. So as a scalper, if you want to take your trend, always wait. If you want to trade with naked chart and still be very accurate, you just wait for a spike to happen. You see this thing, we call it fractals. This thing that has crown, this thing that is crown, like this thing that crown up and down, we call it fractal. It's an indicator. So if you want to enter, let's assume spike. So anytime spike happen, the first spike happen, and it has a bottom crown, and it has, look at, a bottom crown, that means there's a mandatory another spike that will happen. That's why this one's happened and the other one happened. Let us check. Look at this one. This one is a bearish candle with the bottom crown. What happened? This one spike, this one spike, and all that. The same thing happened to when you want to sell. If you want to sell, allow the whole spike to happen, and if the last spike that happened has upper crown, you see this one has upper crown, right? The last spike that just happened, it has upper crown. So that's why the market sold up to 3 candles. Each time that thing happen in 5 minutes time frame, be confident to take 2 candles. Look at this one. Be confident to take how many candles? Just 2 and go. That is 10 candles and you go. That one is almost happening every time, and is almost, let us see anywhere we have upper crown. Remember, you are a scalper. That's why I just come down to 5 minutes. So this one, we have upper crown here. What happened? We see 1, 2 complete. Don't just take 3, just take 2 candles. That is 10 candles in 1 minute. So look at this one. I know sometimes it produce more than the 3. Look at this one. This one have upper crown. What happened? Have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I say take 2 and leave if you don't want to be caught by spike any day of your life. So just take how many and leave? 2 and leave. Look at this one. This one have upper crown. What happened? 1, 2, 3. So that is patient. You mustn't be greedy. You don't have to be greedy in trading. If you are greedy, you will keep blowing your account. If you don't have patience enough, you also keep blowing your account. The major secret behind forex is the major factor you must avoid is not to be greedy. Number 2 is learn how to be patient. So look at this one, upper crown. You take 1, 2. That is 10 candles. In most occasions, it will produce 3 candles. But I say take only 2 candles and leave. So if you are taking only 2 candles, spike can never cut you. Spike will not know your name, and you don't know the name of spike. So if you see this one now, you see this one has upper crown. It's going to discharge 3 candles down. It's going to discharge it before spiking again because it has upper crown. Let us see another upper crown. So as a scalper, always wait for a spike to happen. If you are if you are scalping boom based on the down move, the default move, you see the crown, how many candles? 1, 2, 3. But I say take only 2 confidently under 5 minutes time frame and leave this market. So let's see another one. Look at this one. Okay, this one is not upper crown. Let us search for the upper crowns. Only upper crowns. How do we mean by upper crown? If you look at this dot, if you look at this candle now, the dot is only up. You don't have dots at the bottom of the candle. We have it only on top. That's why I say upper crown. So when we have it, this one has its own only on the bottom. Let me turn it to this one has bottom crown. So when it has bottom crown, when it is spike and contain a bottom crown, so the implication is that another spike that will be taller than the previous spike will come. That is how we catch spike on a sniper entry. Anytime spike happen and it has only down crown, no upper crown, because if you watch some candles, you see some of them have up and down crown. Let me show you some of those ones that have. If you look at this candle now, if you look at this one, it has up and down crown. Do you understand? So what this one, up and down crown, signifies continuation of trend. So lower crown, we know, like this one that have lower crown, is telling you total up move. Anyone that have upper crown, it means total down move. Do you understand? So this one is total down move. The one that have upper crown is total down move, while the one that have a lower uh, this lower crown is total up move. That's why you could see another spike here. So but if you are trading boom based on the default movement, which is sell, always wait for a spike under 5 minutes for a spike to happen and it contains upper crown like this. You just enter your market and collect 2 candles. Enter your market and collect what? 1, 2, go out. Don't wait for the 3. I know in most occasion, in 90% occasion, it is used to discharge 3 candles, but you can go out for 2 candles, so that if you are going out from 2 candles, you can never be caught by spike. Even Dankin.com, look at this one. 1, 2, it must come. It is a must. We are not begging, it's a must. Look at this one. 1, 2, upper crown. So in a situation, we also want to focus on the spike aspect of the system. So always wait for a spike to happen and contain only bottom crown. If it contains only bottom crown, just enter your trade. You must surely catch another spike. So look at this one now. You see this one contain bottom crown, and that's why this spike happened. This one was spike again. So let us see another one. You see this one contain bottom crown here. This one contain bottom crown here, spike. Another one spike. So let us look at them. Let us find them. There are many. At all times such thing happen, you must look at this one. This one has bottom crown here. After it, look at the next spike. This one have bottom crown here. After it, look at the next spike. So you can be waiting to a spike to happen and contain a bottom crown. Then you enter in for the next spike. So this one, I caught all this spike this morning. This one, let me turn it. I caught this one because when this one spiked, it contained this one. I caught this one. Do you see it? So now it has spike and contain upper band. So it's already, look at the upper crown. So it's already discharging to you. Take 1, 2, that's 10 candle. If you are taking 10 candle advantage at every drop down this thing, so don't you think you will build your account over just in a day? So that is it. It's either you're using that hiding cloud pattern I show you, but that one should be from 30 minutes, 1 hour, and all that, where the previous candle that close is taller than the current candle is taller than the previous candle close. Just like here, if you see it is a sniper entry. Look at this one. You see this red candle. This red is taller than the previous bullish candle. So market don't have option to move down. In most occasions, it move more than even 4 5 candles. Do you understand? So if you look at this formation, look at them. If you just see it, they don't die. DERIV don't die. Look at it. You see this bearish candle is taller than the previous bullish candle that just closed. Do you understand? Look at the bullish candle. Let me turn this thing well. Look at the bullish candle that just closed here. But you watch out that this bearish candle, let me turn this thing, reduce it. This bearish candle, come on, can you stop this thing? This bearish candle is taller than the previous bullish candle. So market don't have option than to move down. That is it. If you see this formation, just enter your trade, whether one day, but you watch this thing from 5 minutes. Look at this one again. Just take your trade, sniper entry, and hold. Look at this one. It's taller than the previous this one. Market don't have option that to move down. You see? So if you cut all this move from 30 minutes, and I say you can watch this entry from 30 minutes, 1 hour and above. So that is the highest secret on how you can make money trading naked chart, and it's 100% guaranteed. I told you 100%. If such formation hiding cloud occurs, so markets don't have option than to obey. Look at them. So look at here. You see what happened? The current is taller than the previous trend. What will happen? The market moved down. Congratulations, this is Donval. Endeavor to join my premium group. You receive signals, you will receive different strategies and approaches and the secret behind the system. Try to register with our donor community link. How do you do that? Create another email address and another phone number. Request for the link. Register, pay 10,000 and become a lifetime member of donor community, where you chat and mingle with other senior traders and get the same secrets that keep us to be profitable in the system. Thank you and congratulations. Bye.